Learn about scorpions. Scorpions are predators. Predators are animals who hunt and eat other animals. Prey are the animals they hunt for. Scorpions have 4 sets of legs. 3 look like legs. 1 set looks like claws. That they can pinch and grab with their front legs. Scorpion tails are curly. Scorpions have stingers on them. Scorpions use their stingers to kill their prey. The stingers look like bee stings. Stingers. Some people think scorpions live in sand. They really live in lots of places. They live in trees, on rocks, and in the water. They live just about anywhere except for the coldest places. Scorpions have venom. Venom is a poison that is injected into an animal. Their stingers inject the venom. Their stingers are the pointy ends of their tails. The hard shell on a scorpion is called a exoskeleton. This outer shell helps keep a scorpion safe. Scorpions love to eat bugs. They eat a lot of crickets, spiders, and flies. Scorpions use their stingers to paralyze prey. The prey cannot move when paralyzed. This makes it easy for scorpions to eat their prey. Scorpions can eat a huge meal. Afterwards, they might not eat again for 6 to 12 months. Baby scorpions hatch from eggs while still inside their mothers. Soon after hatching, they come out into the world. Mother scorpions carry their babies on their back when they are little. Some scorpions are big. Some scorpions are tall. Some are very tiny. Some scorpions can glow in the dark. They are special kinds of light bulbs called black lights. If they shine on some scorpions, they light up. Some scorpions are brown. Some scorpions are black. Some even have yellow, blue, or green on them. Empire scorpions are the biggest scorpions in the world. They have venom, but do not use it to attack. They are very shy. Dead stalker scorpions are the most deadly scorpions. Some animals look like scorpions. Scorpion flies have tails, but they don't have stingers. Scorpion fish have poison. The spines of the scorpion fish have poisonous mucus on them. Australian walking stick bugs have curled tails like scorpions. This could be to help keep predators away. Some people eat scorpions. They can be fried. They can be put on a stick. Are they called scorpion pops? Scorpions are mighty predators in little bodies. They are one of nature's amazing hunters.